What's up, guys? I'm Kadena with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to a very important market update. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so if for some reason you guys haven't seen this yet, yesterday Bybit was hacked for $1.4 billion. This was the largest recorded cryptocurrency heist of all time, and the reports are that it was the Lazarus Group behind it. What makes this very interesting is when you look at the Ethereum chart, you can see that Ethereum had started to break out. It was up to $2,846, and then it crashed all the way down to $2,614. Now, at the current moment, we're back over 2,700. But at the same time, the stock market was also getting nuked. 927 billion was wiped out from the US stock market. So it was not only Ethereum that took a beating. And if you look at the crypto market right now, Ethereum's down 3% in the last 24 hours, but Bitcoin's still down 2.6%. XRP is down even more than Ethereum. So for as big of news as this was, it actually could have been a lot worse. Now, before I go over Ethereum, I do quickly want to take a look at Bitcoin. And this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and still, I know it sounds repetitive, but not a whole lot has changed for me. I still view us in this cup and handle. This is the cup and this is the handle. As long as we do not put in a lower low or lose this trend line, I will remain bullish. What I don't like is that the stochastics are starting to get a little bit overbought, and we have not broken above the 21-day moving average. We had broken above it, but then yesterday we had the big crash. So we'll see what happens to Bitcoin on the daily. Where things are really interesting, though, is Ethereum. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't think Ethereum looks very good at all on the daily time frame. I actually wouldn't be surprised one bit if Ethereum breaks down. The reason for that is because you could easily argue we are forming a bear flag. In addition, the stochastics are extremely overbought, and we are retesting the 21-day and can't get back above the 200-day. If you simply invert the Ethereum chart, we look like we're in a cup and handle. So it is very hard for me to ignore all of these indicators for Ethereum. But I want to be crystal clear. This is the daily time frame for ETH. Nothing has changed for me when we look at the larger time frames. I still think we look very good. The weekly time frame is the one that I've been showing a lot. And that's because for the first time since September of 2024, the stochastics are extremely oversold again. And if you go back in Ethereum's history, we have broken out 9 out of 9 times with oversold stochastics since September of 2020. It is a 100% breakout rate. And usually the breakout is anywhere from 50% gains to like 300% gains. Sometimes it was even much higher than that early on. So to be clear, over the next few days, I wouldn't be shocked if Ethereum does break down. But in the long term, like mid-March, April, I would not be shocked if we are absolutely flying. And another reason I say that is because of what is actually going on behind the scenes. I know it can be tough to look at the bigger picture because it seems like Ethereum is just bleeding every single day. But behind the scenes, BlackRock now owns 1.34 million ETH worth 3.6 billion. In addition, Fidelity also recently purchased another 24.5 million worth of ETH. And then you look at this, Trump now owns $500 million worth of ETH. BlackRock, Fidelity, Trump, they're all loading up. Ask yourself the question, why? Do you really believe that the second largest crypto, a crypto that has a spot ETF, is never going to reach all-time highs again? If that's a bet that you want to make, then by all means make it. But I am personally of the belief that Ethereum is absolutely going to run to all-time highs again. ETH is still down 43% from its all-time high 3 years ago. I personally believe the breakout is coming. It's just a matter of when. And naturally, if Ethereum breaks out, that's going to be very bullish for a lot of the community plays. If you look at a project like Miggles, it's at a $56 million market cap, and it's been holding up very well. Even after the Ethereum drop, it hardly moved. You look at Hoppy, you look at Turbo, you look at Pepe. All of these projects are still holding very well from the drop yesterday. And all of them are going to be correlated to Ethereum. So if Ethereum can get the breakout, it will be very bullish. But I just wanted to give my take on the market. Again, don't forget who is actually loading up. I think it can be very easy to get distracted with the day-to-day stuff. All of that being said, though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. As you guys can see, I have 3 different tiers. But we've been making huge gains this entire bull run. As a lot of you guys know, my Discord's only 1 year old, and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put this in perspective, a $1,000 investment into any one of these projects could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We're building an amazing community. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys think we'll see an Ethereum breakout. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.